The Y240 is a new generation universal SDR platform based on the AD9361. Innovatively incorporates a USB 4.040 gigabits per second interface to enable real-time transmission of 56 MHz bandwidth multiplex signals to the host. Meet the demands of broadband communication testing and spectrum analysis. In addition to 2 sets of RF channels, the system now includes a GPS timing interface and a clock trigger interface. Supports distributed detection and multi-device scalability. Both sets of RF interfaces are connected to antennas. Transmit and receive radio frequency signals. Connect the Y240 to the USB 4 port on your computer using a USB 4 cable. Building an open-source 5G research environment based on Open 5G Studio. Integrates multiple mainstream 5G protocol stacks, including OAI, Open 5GS, and SRUs. Launch the Open 5G Studio platform web interface. One-click activation of the 5G core network. Access the OAI base station configuration interface and select the N78 band with 50 MHz bandwidth and 2TX, 2RX RF configuration. Once ready, turn off airplane mode on both commercial terminals in sequence and attempt to connect to the open-source 5G base station. Based on the base station's operational log data, it can be confirmed that 2 commercial terminals have successfully connected. Launch the commercial terminal app in sequence to observe the live video streaming smoothly. During this process, the base station's visual interface provides an intuitive way to obtain information such as uplink and downlink data rates. In addition to viewing overall data, you can also check the status information of each connected terminal individually. Additionally, the 5G protocol stack can be run via terminal commands. Switch to the directory where the OAI core network is located and start the core network. Open a new terminal and switch to the directory where the OAI base station is located. Select the N78 band with 50 MHz bandwidth and a 2TX, 2RX RF configuration. Once ready, turn off airplane mode on both commercial terminals one after another and attempt to connect to the open-source 5G base station. Based on the base station's operational log data, it can be confirmed that 2 commercial terminals have successfully connected. The functional demonstration of the open-source 5G mobile communication protocol stack has now been completed.